be speaking my dog. I wouldn't tell you no lies. I wasn't here every night. I did my share of the crimes. I was a terror sometimes. Ain't see the mirror sometimes. Now I'm accountable dog. Comfortable closing my eyes. I can't be afraid of the dark. Can't let you play with my heart. I was just playing my part. I know you stay in the park. We've been in love for a while. We've been in love more than now. We done ran a forest smile, baby, in the middle of the homie. Nobody else survived. Nobody made it out. I gotta wave the flag on the steps for my lonely. I don't know the miles, girl, I don't know the routes. The only thing I know is this love. That's why I lie, if I'm with you for forever, ever, even if it ends. And the best part of life, if I'm with you for forever, ever, then we re-begin. And the best part of life, I'm with you for forever, ever, ever, till the end. And the best part of life, in the movie, I'm with you for forever, till the end. And the best part of life, I'm with you for forever, ever, ever, till the end. And the best part of life, in the movie, I'm with you for forever, till the end.
At Camp Forever Ever, I finally have a home.
What we're building here, the world would never understand.
Camp Forever Ever is not a cult.
It's not a cult.
Yeah, this is definitely not a cult.
I can get you Fendi, Prada, Christian, Gucci. Baby, spend some time, I spend this change like loose leaf. Hot like grabber, come here, mama. Baby, spin around, let me see how you move loosely. Hop inside the Lambo, it's just us in a two-seat. Everything I got on from the shoes that had this beastie. Plenty, Henny, I'm feeling woozy. I took too many, tonight is a movie. Look, take shots, take shots, take shots, shot after shot. What drink you drink, cause I'm tryna ease your mind. Sip slow, don't drink fast, I'm tryna make this last. Oh, oh. I can tell you got tension, tension, tension. Yeah. I need transparency, tell me what's on your mind. Take shots like back shots, mad shots, shot after shot.
Hey, I can get you drunk, sloppy, top me, get a head low like lobby, beat it up, rocky, chain swinging, name ringing, shit changed, don't entertain the same women.
Woozy, why like your vibe? Let's stop by the jacuzzi. And I like your frame and La Perla, Gucci. Spanish bitch from Montana, told her I'ma murder dance in that coochie.
Look, fuck all that singing shit, let's keep it raw and rugged. I wanna see you take shots till your body's all in my covers and your friends threesoming and talking orgies discussion. And we at the table speaking who freaky and doing what when we back at the spot. Magnums come out the box and never go back in the box. She takes shots like back shots, she's back in the shots. My dick hop out the zipper, something like Jack in the Box. You know I made a term, shot a clock, stop acting so shy. Come on.
Take shots, take shots, take shots, shot after shot. What drink you drink, cause I'm tryna ease your mind. Sip slow, don't drink fast, I'm tryna make this last. Oh, oh. I can tell you got tension, tension, tension. Yeah. I need transparency, tell me what's on your mind. Take shots like back shots, mad shots, shot after shot.
Baby, we can do a trio, me, you, and your amigos.
sipping Casamigos, yeah. I wanna see you deep throw, but that ass is lethal. Bust it, then I reload, yeah. Tryna see how bad you can get when you draw. Even though you're dangerous, I love the way you are. Seems like you're anxious, don't gotta hide your scars. Imperfectly perfect, not a single flaw, nah, my bag different, kind of Mexican. From New York, she like my accent, I make her act different. She on Richard Millie status, get the paddock, cut from a different cloth. She a different fabric. She think I need sex every day. Hop inside the double R, just take me away. Your eyes reflect the stars on me, rock in a rave. We both got a mirror on our legs. Grab your waist and lick your legs, see your waist go. Get in the car, don't touch nothing. Sit in the car, let's discuss something. Either we fucking or I end up switching up the subject on her. Look, I ain't with nothing, you gon' suck it or not? Nah, look. Nah. Look, nah. Take shots, shot after shot. What drink you drink? Cause I'm tryna ease you out. Sip slow, don't drink fast. I'm tryna make this last. Whoa. I can tell you got tension. Yeah. What drink you drink? Cause I'm tryna ease your mind. Take shots, shot after shot.
Me and Finette tryna run up a check.
Move it, everybody turn up and river.
Unless you go hard that time, I swear.
I call the bitch through the side. Move it, groove it. I said, the baby, she my type. I call the girl through the side. I wanna know what she all about. Through the club, I was moving, grooving. I call the bitch through the side. I wanna know what she all about. I'm tryna spend more than one night. Baby, you look too good to just be alone. Grab my hand, let's two step to the song. We can do what we want cause we grown. Ass real, but them titties fake. Oh man, falling for this gangster wasn't part of a plan. She say how I put it down, make her forget I'm mad. Fucked up by my alley cat, y'all wouldn't understand. Now we upstairs, in the room, it's me and you. She saying, oh, this how you move. I just say I'm good at what I do. Pennies dropping, oh, I'm saying this how you feel. She telling me she got some skills. Here we go, finna go for a thrill. Nails real, but her hair fake. Oh man, it's one or the other, always here we go again. Fucked up by my alley cat, y'all wouldn't understand. Yeah, you know I'm fucking you tonight. Yeah, you know I'm fucking you tonight. Yeah, moving, grooving. I call a bitch through the side. I wanna know what she all about. I'm tryna spend more than one night. Baby, you look too good to just be alone. Grab my hand, let's two step to the song. We can do what we want cause we grown. Ass real, but them titties fake. Oh man, falling for this gangster wasn't part of a plan. Yeah. She say how I put it down, make her forget I'm mad. Yeah. Fucked up by my alley cat, y'all wouldn't understand.
You have to be careful with me, I'm a gangster, you gotta be careful with me. It's a storm. Stand it with me. Let's watch how you handling me. She wanna fuck her, she had to do it. She like, Fabi, baby, you a bad influence. We already did the nasty. This is the after music, look. Got different moves and I ain't have to use it. When she say my name, she got an accent to it. They showing me videos of you and your ex. I'm just laughing to it. Look, I give her long strokes.
I give her long strokes.
She make it disappear.
She got a long throat.
Yeah, look, I fell in love with that pussy juice. Why you so horny? What's good with you? A bitch you would take out the hood with you. But you cleaning up, she cooking too. I can't take it.
I can't take it.
I can't take it. She wanna run, but she not escaping. She busting moves, her body evasive.
Moving, grooving. I call a bitch through the side. I wanna know what she all about. I'm tryna spend more than one night. Baby, you look too good to just be alone. Grab my hand, let's two step to the song. We can do what we want cause we grown. Ass real, but them titties fake. Oh man, falling for this gangster wasn't part of a plan. She say how I put it down, make her forget I'm mad. Fucked up by my alley cat, y'all wouldn't understand.
Me and
finesse tryna run up a check. Finesse, you go hard every time, I swear.
What's the deal, chat? What's the deal? How's everybody doing? How are we this lovely evening? Alright, $1.50 in here. Alright, nice. Filling up quick. Sorry. I just got in. I just got home. Yeah. I lost track of the time. But I'm not on payroll, so you know what I mean? Alright, get rid of this noise in my ear. Liquidity providers talking shit. We good? Everyone good? Drop a like, sub to the channel, and let's get right into it. We have a 15 closing here. First 15 of our session. Damn, we haven't even started a breakdown. Alright, just in. Weekly, it was on its way to flip, but we got one more day. So I don't know if it's going to flip or it's going to hold this resistance here. But we're going to follow the daily. Daily closed bull. We got range to fill here. We're going to expect it to drive up. Unless we get range 2 breakouts. 4 hour, previous 4 hour closed bull. This 4 hours broke that one. So we are bullish here. Let's see where we can get some buys.
With 2 straps, yeah. Slide in the Lambo or slide in the Porsches. Check my garage, I got too many choices. Walk around, got a couple meals stuffed in my bag. Stripper hoes all on my road, shaking their ass. We just ran the tab up at Nobu. You say that you never got high, I'ma show you. Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitches they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, off the juice, coding got me tripping. Cut the coupe, walker roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping.
Jimmy Neutron, I'm a young boy genius. On a futon, I'ma give it that penis. When this shit's done, I'ma fill up arenas. Ooh, like Gilbert Arenas. Shoot my shot, I'm still with the demons. Ooh, I keep it thorough. I got 5 chicks in New York, that means 1 in each borough.
Alright, chat. We're bullish for the day. I believe these are some valid levels that we can get buys above, or buys to, even. Let's see what would happen if we reject, I mean, we're at the peak of range 1 at the moment, right? So, I have range 2 right here. Starting at this level right now.
Calling my bitch, tell her bring me that noggin. Brain real good, shit scholar. I like a thing with low mileage. Still got no college. Call me the baby.
All right.
I'm real creative and stylish. F in my denim. I send that hit, make them spin. And I just flew back.
Yeah, this is solid on the hourly as well. And for sells, probably a closure below here. Okay. This range 2 breakout will probably be valid throughout the evening. Okay.
Somebody tell them niggas that it's over. You know it's baby, nigga.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. I scattered, I caught her. I'm out here with somebody's daughter. She calling me daddy. I'm somebody's father. I gotta go diss it. I when I go kiss it. I put my lips on it like somebody watered. The diamond, the glacier, the card in the wallet. She put up the fuck me.
Yeah, this is better.
She wasn't feeling my music. I fucked it, she told me it's nobody harder, and I'm with the G ski. I need that shit for the free ski. We are not buying no pussy, you sell it on Peachtree. It's so much work on my celly, I had to go tell all my bitches email it to reach me. All in my DM, follow your
go. Here we go. Sells below here would be range 2 breakouts. Buys are valid above here. Sorry, I'm really zoomed out here, huh? Just got a big screen, I can see it well. It's a weird flex, wasn't it? I thought it was a weird flex for a second, like, huh? If I was listening to myself, I'd be like, weird flex. Keeping it real. Yeah, buys above. Closure. Onion or fake out if we come back down here. And more buys above here. Closure. That's it. Looking solid here on gold. Right? We haven't had anything special happen yet. 2 to 4 hours looking like what's the level here? I mean, yeah, there was a resistance here on the 4 hour. Alright, we close above like this. 4 hour can retrace here. All the way down here. And I'd be fine taking it to fill these highs again. Yeah, everything's in our favor. All we have to do is wait on this hourly close, the 4 hour close in 40 minutes. That's what we're gonna do on gold. Just got on. You catch that? No, I did not catch that, and I would not have entered this. Says this 1 hour candle had no top wick. And I understand we just drove up, but it's not me. It's not me. That's just not my trade. But congrats to everyone that caught that. GJ. So, weekly, we closed there previous week. Right now, we thought we were going to make a top wick to drive down, but we did not. We are closing bullish. I don't believe we're going to flip just on a Friday morning, but if that does happen, I mean, we'll be prepared. We'll see it on the daily in a small time frame. For now, daily closed bullish. Currently making a bottom wick. So we're going to look for some buys here, maybe back in range, maybe some fake outs. Let's see if they're happening. Okay. A lot of rejections. We never wanted to trade it this whole week, right? Like this whole area. But we are bullish.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply.
We're gonna look for some fake outs to come back up here. What are these ranges? What are they looking like?
You can never hit mine, nigga. In my DM, they electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go to Mars. Everybody sing. How could you come about out your face and say I ain't the hardest nigga you'd have never heard. I left off like a rapper's dead and bird. A verse for me is like 11 birds. Just did the math, it's like $2,000 every word. I'm on the purge, I beat the church. I killed some niggas and I walked away from it. Then I observed just how you curved and told a nigga that they gotta wait for it. I know you ain't hot demand. I'm ballin' on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm drowning all inside the pussy like I never swam. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram. I'm the man.
Me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew, yeah, I knew.
Talk, church talk, I can make a brick walk. Up north, down south, Bankhead to Rachel walk. Hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward, fuck a fed and his daughter. I'm a rented compound, I supply the cigarettes and bread. I got a main and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in the lamp so she gon' ride. I see the pain and shout it like bros. I'm at the London with some big thighs. No fries, cheese steaks with the fish size. Then your mama tell you when something on fire, stop driving road. Yeah. I been on the road like a pair of spinners or stop and goes. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dodge and a demon. Got your broad in the garage eating semen. Every time a nigga go back to the ward, niggas act like they won't start and we leave them on a semen.
Me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew, yeah, I knew.
Crush down with your money. 44 times, you won't play. 4 say, it ain't now. I might down, see the whole time with the play. 4 say. All my diamonds shine, 'cause they really diamond. Bad bitches in line, they be really trying. They ask me if I'm high, I say really. Got money on my mind, I say really. I look like I've been ballin', 'cause I'm really ballin'. I wanna apologize, I'm not really sorry. They ask me if I'm lying, I say really. I'm really on my mind, I say really. Make 'em believe, I made 'em believe. A lyrical songwriter, and he can sing. Bringing in money, I was just trying to get paper to sneeze. I chew, that was a blessing. She special to you, I don't look at her special. Actually, I treat her regular. Not being seen, we not making no spectacle. Gates had a verse and he gave it to Kevin. All the above, we do all the etc. Scared of the fans, had to switch out my cellular. He talking reckless, don't call me back ever. Passing through Garden to holler at Glover. Shout out to Black, shout out to Shedrick. Break money, call up for K911, just holler that trail. I'm like the rapper, my section ridiculous. Watch when you stepping, pockets on indigent. Can't be too careful, Steve like I'm tall. And when they yellow, broken in college, fresh with low mileage. I like them black, pretty white teeth, body unique, booty on fleek. Jenny I eco, chewing the cheeks. Groceries, please, you know that was me. All my diamonds shine, 'cause they really diamond. Bad bitches in line, they be really trying. They ask me if I'm high, I say really. Got money on my mind, I say really. I look like I've been ballin', 'cause I'm really ballin'. I wanna apologize, I'm not really sorry. They ask me if I'm lying, I say really. I'm really on my mind, I say really. Diving be treacherous. Well, pray to God that don't nobody mess with us. Keep it strong in case anyone testing us. Right or wrong, if it's this you don't mess with. When your bitch over here, I don't mess with her. No detective work, I don't be questioning. Where she been trying to read all her messages. I don't speak on no man that's irregular. Take her phone, disconnecting the cellular. What you need that for undressing her? What you did that for caressing her? Spreading her legs about to pleasure her. Pulling her hair from the back, go to pressing her. Trying to see who tap first made a bet with her. Relationship blinking, no eczema. She catching.
Sorry, buddy. I got visitors again. So giving them some attention, talking to them. Yep, we're gonna wait. Daily bullish, so we're gonna look buys up here. We're gonna look for buys above here, the level that we're at right now. They're in the form of an onion or fake out. And for sells, we would look for sells probably below all of this. Goes above here on the 30 in 20 seconds. I'm gonna look for positions here, chat. This is good enough for me on gold here. Daily, look at this. Daily just broke the previous daily highs. Yeah, we just closed. How did it close here? I need a small bottom wick. Some kind of bottom wick. Hold on. We might have some early positions, but I need a bottom wick. I need this candle to come back down. 15. Yeah, we need this candle to come back down. We don't want it to break the highs. Or we don't want it to drive. Wait, if it breaks the highs, it should drive. So. A lot of volume, right? Lock it in for now. Hold on. 8:30. I know we got 30 minutes to 4-hour close. If we get a bottom wick and if we break the highs before 8:40, 8:42, we'll be in these buys. Yeah, breaking the highs here, chat.
I gave him a pass. Let him trip, then we doubling back. Look at me, I'm ahead of my class. I live in my bag, I'm showing my ass. Fully loaded, it gotta be fast. Hit the gas, get away from my past. Yeah.
Your man's a crash, your partner crash, your hoe get smashed. Hell yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm so ahead of these niggas. No Matilda, yeah, I know Maybach extended, yeah, them sticks in there. Yeah, I know these niggas be hating on me. I been out well fast, I trippin'. Stick baby, he flip it and live in Dell. Jeffries, I spin it, no pinching. Check my apparel. I know y'all wanna be like me. And she know I be.
Hey. Breaking highs here. See, no pullback, no entry. I'm good with it. Idea's there, but entry's not there. Our next possible entry here can be at the 4-hour close. Yeah, I'd expect this to come back down here, retest 166817. This candle should fill the wick. Just gotta wait here. Nothing we can do. 25 minutes. Chill out, go relax. Okay, Jay. Alright, chat, what's going on? Let me get to you guys. I know it's been rolling for 40 minutes, damn near 40 minutes, but I'm gonna miss a lot of your messages. Hey, Wix the Learner here. Can we look at the previous gold candles before the big drive? Was there a setup you would have taken? A big drive. This candle down. This tiny 45 pip candle down. No, I wouldn't take anything here. It's a range 1, right? You have a resistance, you have a support, this creates a range. Anything below here, you would need a range 2 breakout. So once you get a bullish closure somewhere in here, then below that you can take the sells. But you've had no bullish closures here. Right, you had no bullish closures below this level, anywhere in here. If we had something like this here, then you might look at range 2 as below here. But even then, honestly, on the higher time, I'm looking here. I'm not looking at the 15 or 30. I'm looking at the higher time frames, and I'd really prefer buys, because this range is pretty massive, and I think we can fill it up and fake out. Oh, look at that. And we flipped bullish. Just like we just drew. No, I'm not in a trade at the moment. Gold sell. That's gonna be a no from me, dog.
I got so much that I wanna say to you. I do anything to make you smile. Take you to the Panama Canal. Hotels 5-star like they play for Coach Cal, but they call me young.
Damn, look at this. 15 broke the high, never drove. It's coming back down and make a bottom wick. What are these? It's already late. We're gonna wait on this. Yeah, the high. So we're gonna wait on this 4-hour close here. Good level. We close here on the 4-hour. We should keep driving.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, that she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dip in the stash. In Italy, got too foreign hoes, they DM me. Draw at the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope on fleek.
Percocet pill on me, ice on my neck, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that post in the back don't say nothing, them niggas a kill for me. Back as I count on my sleep, on fleek. 100K spit on that patty for lead. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree.
Donvo teach you. I've learned many lessons from Donvo. I've learned many lessons from many different people.
Look at my wrist and it's critical. Hold it up, dropping the temperature. I get that bag on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the bag of them vegetables. Bag of them cookies, it's medical. Cocaine, codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean is federal. I take up blending on Nebula.
As well as I've hoped to have taught him a few lessons. I think it's a reciprocated relationship. Hey bro, since watching you and Donna grown in patience and discipline on the charts, much appreciated. Awesome. Good to hear. I love it. I love it. Alright, y'all, I wasn't feeling great today. But, you know how they say do it for the gram? Do it for the chat. Do it for the chat. Do it for you guys. I'm never having a bad day. But today, it really felt like it wasn't the greatest of days.
My dope got a vertical, look at it hop. And it jump out that pot, came out the jet and went straight to the top. Take it easy, baby. Middle of summer, I'm freezing, baby. Don't leave me, baby. Just drop to your knees and please me, baby. I'm faster.
He's got the viddy bang bang. I don't even know what that means, but sure. Let's get to 300 likes. We're not even at 100. Let's get to 100. Let's get to 200. Take it step by step. Like the stream, sub to the channel, and let's get more people in here. Yo, checks, what's the deal? Thank you for joining us. Quick, a question. You make prior money on Asia or New York? Prior money? Like bigger money? Higher money? I'm not sure. Chad, excuse our broken English. Right, I get it. I think New York is more profitable for sure. But we've been slaying Asian, right? You just get less opportunities in Asian based on the way we trade.
Bitch, I kept your bills paid. You was sick, I paid for surgery. God, I pray you put who do me wrong where they deserve to be. I guess my skin not light enough, my dialect not white enough, or maybe I'm just not shaped the way that make these niggas give a fuck. But fuck
Like
it,
your
'cause
best
I'm
trades, we've had some really good trades in New York. We had a few weeks where we had runners upon runners upon runners. But my best trade this year, I think, was in London session. And we don't stream that, but my best trade really came in the London session. I've been profitable with your Asian session, but New York with Don, not good at all. That's impossible because I'm profitable in New York, and I take the same trades as Don. Well, for the most part, but 95% of the time we take the same trades. And today we smacked New York, right? Who took that dub with us?
brother just so y'all can take pictures. These hoes can't shake me. These niggas can't break me.
There's a Zoom link. Yeah, use the old one, Keelan.
These hoes can't take me.
The old one's working.
Bitch, your pockets been a joke, bitch. And you ain't worth the crack your mama used to smoke, bitch. You got the roaches in your crib sharing snacks with your kids. Delinquent on
Yeah, boy.
post this. Bitch, I'm not nice.
My people, man. He's caught the New York move, right? How can you not be profitable in New York with Don when we smacked today? Today no trades in New York? No, we had a trade. We had the idea, we had everything. Don decided to stay out for his reasons, but I took it as it was all broken down on stream. Hell you listening to? I'm not nice. I don't know, just it's a jukebox in here, alright? Except you guys aren't ordering shit. Just at this moment, we're not nice. Alright, let's get rid of this. Is this better? Here. Like this?
I was deep in it, she see the stars. She the stars in it, I got a freak, yeah, I had to park my shit. Say that man a broke boy on the opposite. Staring in the mirror, she a narcissist. I got hitters with me, they like poppin' shit. I got red bottoms with the ostrich. Getting toppy in the dawn, I'm on my bar. She told that hoe don't gossip, play back, get it top in the dawn. Yeah, I'm on my bar. She told that bitch don't gossip. Yeah, I was play back, getting neck in a double lock. Play back, getting neck in a double lock. Play back, getting neck in a double lock. I was play back, getting neck in a double lock. Yeah, she said she want a rock star. Yeah, she wanna be a pop star.
Word. Stream is litty. Like the stream. Deleted it too early? No, he had to go. He had other shit he had like on his mind. Not that he physically had to go, he mentally had to go. Oh, hold on. I gotta restart this. I want to check something.
Shoes, cause she proud of me. A lot of blues like I'm banging C. Blow my phone up, get ahead, I let it ring. Bugatti, daddy, Bugatti, the ready ring. Gotta go and change the check, bitch, that is my job. I be living to the bank, all blues, ha. Give you head, give you bread. See, I don't do that in my car.
Baby, get a neck in a double lock. Baby, get a neck in a double lock. Baby, get a neck in a double lock.
Oh well, money don't wait. I mean, it's not about that. He makes enough. He wasn't there like, oh shit, like, damn, I should have. Yeah, we good here. Nice. Thank you for liking the stream. Thank you for coming through. And see if we can get this 4-hour closure. All right, chat. It's the last 15. See, like I said, we're gonna expect this to come back and touch this level, fill this wick, and then see if we can come back up. Let's see if there's opportunity to sell anywhere here.
I was young and wild. Caught my first case, then I got kicked out my mama house. Got nowhere to stay, bitch. I'm running in your fucking house. What them 30s out? What you talking about? Yeah, around the city, I swear I'm lurking out. Really, I'm out your shit, I'm off a party now.
Nigga run up on me, I'ma blow him down. So much cash in my jeans, Louis V, pocket wallet. Niggas hate, niggas bitches, pocket watching. Now I'm talking about no pistol, talking 30s now. 30s now, 30 bands, 30 now. Pussy nigga always talking, why the fuck these niggas talking?
I don't know, pull up slow. 6 I don't wanna look what you started.
Yeah, catch her up, but a bounce and we gon' burn him down. Burn him down, 30 rounds, 100 rounds. Hold up, niggas don't want no smoke. Roll up, dead niggas when I smoke. Baby, she put it all in her throat. She suck my dick while I float on the ghost. New buzz down, yeah, my wrist is on froze. These niggas is hoes, like keep me a pause. I swear these little bitches be doing the most. Climbing like I'm dripping snot from my nose. You know I came from the mud with this. They never show me no love with this. I had to jig it finesse, just stand in the corner with selling them drugs and shit. They used to be on some other shit. Now they see me coming up and shit. I tell them leeches a soccer thing. Nowadays they see me dub and shit. Mama had 5 boys, me I was a middle child. By the age of 13, bitch, I was young and wild. Caught my first case, then I got kicked out my mama house. Got nowhere to stay, bitch, I'm running in your fucking house. With them 30s out, what you talking about? Yeah, run the city, I swear I'm lurking out. Really, I'm high as shit, I'm off a party now.
Nigga run up on me, I'ma blow him down. So much cash in my jeans, Louis V, pocket wallet. Niggas hate, niggas bitches, pocket watching. Now I'm talking about no pistol, talking 30s now. 30s now, 30 bands, 30 now.
Smart. Big brr.
J Production.
I don't know when you get something back from me, shit. You gotta get it, this shit in blood, Bitch, I got my own fight, don't need security in the club. All they wolfing on the net, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they was. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood. Bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't mask up, no Dodger X, niggas know who it was. Storing shit just like the 80s, want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood. If a nigga killer ain't dead, you should wear no RP shirt. We had 300 shots up in the car before we picked up dirt. You niggas who ain't got shit going, go grab a glizzy, get alert. Shots to G-Post RP and Reezy, he in the dirt. You gotta know I go too far. They 2 O's up on this 100, one of them might stand for O-Block. About 20 some shots left up in the K, 15 still in the Glock. Leave my door unlocked and stop, I like getting on feet, park the car. We get up close, do them dirty, I ain't showing love. 11,000 all ones, left my right pocket in the club. These blue faces up on me dirty, I went got it out the mud. If I took some, get it in blood, I don't give a fuck where we was. Bitch, I got my own fight, don't need security in the club. All they wolfing on the net, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they was. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood. Bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't mask up, no Dodger X, niggas know who it was. Storing shit just like the 80s, want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood.
Killed your man, you keep on talking, better get that shit in blood. Give my shorty them a dub, then they gon' walk inside the club. Hit his little ass with that switch, I bet that switch up his nerve. Fuck the ops inside my city, little bro, put them in the mud. You can't come back to your hood, huh? No. He was dissing on my cousin, now his ass all in that wood, huh? Book his ass, I wish he would come. Pussy. V-Roy pop up out that car with that new Glock, I wish he would run. His ass playing, bitch, I'm really icy. Really icy. Who shicey, that's my dog. But fool, you know I'm really shicey. You told all them OT niggas that you really slide. Pussy. Tell the truth about your game, bitch, they really dying.
Bitch, I got my own fight, don't need security in the club. All they wolfing on the net, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they was. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood. Bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't mask up, no Dodger X, niggas know who it was. Storing shit just like the 80s, want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood.
Yeah, chill out. We got 8 minutes. I'm tired as hell too. About to grab a little bit of liquidity here. Maybe that's what the stream needs. Maybe the stream needed that, some of that liquidity. So let's see what can happen. Ain't no fucking news.
Everybody know me round my way, I'm a bonafide gangster, gunslinger. I let it all broad day, them niggas will point fingers. What the fuck I look like being a hater? I made it happen for him. My little nigga started touching paper, I was happy for him. I was in the cell thinking I was coming home to you and me. How I was before they booked me, by how I was looking, it'll never be
You able to repost Zoom link? It's all good if you can't. Sure. Sure. Are you in the mods? Yeah.
Sniping and fighting, and juvenile detention centers, inciting riots. In the studio 2 nights in, off a gram of that meth. While whipping in my kitchen, sticks and glizzards on my shelf. Treat the suburbs like the projects, turn the mansion to the trap highs. Old pistol whipping the nigga, I ain't even noticed, I just black eyed. Fully loaded, black eyed, 300 a coyote one. Kept shooting that nigga, I black eyed. Did it for my mama, oldest son. Everybody say I'm chosen one, the golden one, the only one around my way that made it. Safe to say, little nigga, knowing son. Yeah, I'm a rapper, I smoke runts. SG snatching grab, walking nigga to the trunk. Walk your bitch ass. I'm at the Panthers arena, I'm high as fuck. My bitch looking like Ari and Taina all at once. This Drake gon' change the nigga demeanor as soon as I up. Keep asking, I'm
Surprised you don't mix in some older music? I do, sometimes from time to time. I'm just not in the mood to fuck around with it right now. It's been a long day for me. Let's just get these dubs, right? Let's get these dubs for you guys. Well, for me, mainly. But you know, honestly, I just love coming here. You guys cheer me up. I've been pretty down. You guys have cheered me up enough already. Yo, we are on our way to 5K subs. This has been quick, right? 3 months? 5K almost? Hey, shout out to Monty the Second with the signals, free signals. Monty the Second. He is selling gold with a stop loss of high of current 1 hour candle. Okay.
At the time it was bad, it was all in my mind. Cause in hindsight, it could have been worse. X-Ting giving me red eye and spoiling my new one, it could have been her. Don't dwell on our past, I'm telling my dog if it happened, then bro, there's a reason. I ain't beefing bro, but nothing, we act like men and we come to agreements. The cell got hit, but a bit too late, so I gave him one for the inconvenience. Rookie, young, but I ain't no rookie. Your place got took cause you're inexperienced. I don't think that them man they're serious. In the trap, I had a plan like that same way, man. Pull up my pants and take off my hat and change my appearance.
He just sold some gold. And that's his stops. Anybody wants to follow Monty? Second, he's in the chat. I don't know, random visitor in the chat, but he's here, so he's on our side. Awesome, thank you for joining us, Monty. Let's get, yeah, I was gonna say, let's get the chat to root for Monty. Yay, Monty. Let's hope this retraces so Monty can take profits, and then we can take buys and also take profits, and then it's a W for everybody. I remember your first Asian stream. I'm glad you stuck with it. Awesome. Yeah, it's actually your guys' fault. I mean, you guys kept coming. I was like, fuck, I gotta do this. You have buy stop wicks? No, I have nothing. We're waiting for a close here in 3 minutes. Right, and in 3 minutes, I want this candle to close above here, respecting this level, and if it doesn't, we respect back below here. And we're gonna look to come back and close back above here. Watch out, EU. Alright, somebody contact EU and tell them to watch out. Watch out. Bless and highly favor. Awesome. Tiny bit hard to hear. How about now? Hold on. Is it because the music's too loud? Is the music loud? Right there. That should be good. It's 3 minutes before our end. Why would you enter a trade now? Yeah, exactly. 2 minutes before the 4-hour closes. I mean, we're an hour into the stream. Let's see. We've waited this long. We need. It's closing above this level, but. We are rejecting here, pulling back. Hey, Max with the dubs. Max Virtual 1 up $16. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Green and the Drowning Man say music is not loud. Came for the candles, state for the tracks. Hey, is it Jalecia? Jalecia B. Walisha. Big Rib just lost 1K. On what? Not on gold. You guys were talking about selling. If Wix turns the music up, stream's gone. No, that's only if Don comes in. Don, they're watching Don. He comes in here. It's you know, say goodbye to Hollywood. Say goodbye to Hollywood. Monty, did I broke any rules? No. What do you mean? You gave us an entry. Did you close? We just want to know how you're doing. You gave out a signal, and we are sample sizing your signals, your signal service. You sold right here. I think 1794.75. Is that where you sold? All right, we got a 4-hour closure. How do we close? We closed below this level that I wanted to close above. So, no bueno. Back in range. And what are we doing here? Okay, we need some closures, and the 30 level here is lower, so the 30 would be like right here. But the way it looks like at the very least another hour till 10. I'm sorry to tell this to you guys. I'm sorry to be the one to break the news. But to me, well, let's see. Hey, Reza in the building. What's the deal, Reza? That's right. Let's get it. We are driving down here. You are correct. I mean, we could have looked this as a range 2. I was thinking about this as a range 2 breakout here. I would have made this 20 pip range above it. 15 pip range. I mean, there's enough. I was thinking about this, but even so, this candle never came. I would not have entered anywhere here. This candle never came up, create any kind of top wick. The safer sells are below here and on the hourly time frame. You really want the hourly to close below here. 30 is not the greatest.
I ain't even gonna lie, man. I've been on lately. For real. Yo, Nick, pass, make it I walk with a spot. I got what it takes to get to the top. The money I make, cannot compete. They know that I'm getting a lot. She give me this phone. Give me that. It kinda that I'm getting a lot. I know she a thot, so give her a shot. I it back to the twist of my side. You know that I'm hot. Yeah. This crazy. We ain't need kiss. I put some shit on her wrist. It was amazing. Walking the Lord's magic. Flick of the wrist. Parking the chop right next to the drive. You can't even picture shit. I gotta take a flick of this shit. I know my head to be sick of this shit. I put a wake in the morning, I look in the mirror, it's crazy, I'm really this rich. Feeding my children, they making my million, I'm really as real as it get. Popping on really.
Yeah, the gold chart looking like it's pretty clear to drive back down here. But it won't be something I'm interested in taking. I will not be taking any sells. No, bro. I was doing a quick scalp. Did you close? Monty, did you close? How was that? How did it go? Nope. Still holding. Alright. Well, you should be up here, like, right, at least 10 pips. Ooh, 1790. Okay. Hello, Wix. Hello, Ditchy. Vitchy Daniels is. Hello, Wix. How you doing? Pips Snatcher snatched some pips. Good shit. Do you trade Goldilocks? No, I don't trade Goldilocks. I only trade Cinderella and Rapunzel. Yeah, I know it was 1794.5. Do you think dollar would drop even more? I don't know, but if it does, we'll pay attention to it and we'll hop on after we have a clear indication that it's dropping. The market's gonna tell us. And we're waiting to react to the market. It hasn't told us anything yet. We can think whatever we want. It'd be pretty egotistical of us to think something and then expect it to happen. No, we think something, we plan for something in case it happens, but we can't expect it to happen. The market's going to do what the market's going to do. You can't have that much of an ego to be like, hey, no, if I think it, then the market's going to make it happen. You're not manifesting candles printing here. You're not using fucking intuition. There's no magic here. This right here, this is coming down right now, so, you know. Is it a liquidity grab? Is it unicorn urine? What is it? It's really, you really just have to, you know, play your probabilities based on your experience in the charts. You mean I can't trade the moon cycles, Wix? I can't manifest candles? I mean, only when Venus is in retrograde. When Venus is in retrograde, you can start manifesting. Until then, keep your manifestations to yourself. This goes into Gatorade. Gatorade, retrograde, potato. Same shit, different toilet seat.
This Italian race car got moolies in it. See a phantom ain't a phantom if that spooky's rented. Smoke tinted, 300,000 in tennis chains. I'm roped in it. Waving through a glass top coupe like the Pope's in it. Heaven only snows in my trunk when the dope.
Yay, Monty. W risk management. Yeah, people taking dubs left and right. Awesome. Good shit. I'm happy to see people winning.
Nothing in the fridge. Sick of making friends. All they do is burn a bridge. I'm drowning in my sins. I never learned how to swim. My life jacket Celine. Swim trunk Supreme. Just left the scene in Alexander McQueen. I remember nights I was too broke to think this deep. I lost more.
34 now. Wish I traded the macro. Huh? Okay.
Touched 100,000 in 20s from doing chores. Mama was a queen pin. Coretta with cream. She was selling dreams to
Hi. Hi.
Christmas, I bought the black choppers and triple beams. Four wheelers, four foes, and a bunch of bows. I guess it's safe to say a nigga finally reached his goals. Cause all I ever wanted was to never end up broke.
Never ever.
All I ever wanted was to never end up broke. All I ever wanted was to never end up broke.
10.
All I ever wanted was to never end up broke. Cause money can't buy back time.
I mean, this is our session here, chat. Like these 4 candles. This was the initial candle of the session, and then it's been these 4 candles here. So let's see if we can come back in range, close above here. If we can close above this level here, we'll take some more buys coming up. Oh. GJ will bounce from your level at Wix. At Wix says it should. At money the second. $350 on here, right? Solid. We've been getting 350 just pretty consistently. And some days we get 400, 450. I think it's when we have a trade, a clear position forming, right? People just somehow, I don't know what it is. Maybe the YouTube algo or the chat goes crazy that like it starts recommending shit. Or the stream to other people. It starts recommending shit. Stream's not shit. Stream's good. Damn, the spread on my broker right now is insane. How insane? Insane in the membrane. The spread on gold for me right now is 1.4. Today you're that guy. You are that guy. You called the top. You trade prop firm? No. You're trading. Somebody told my chat to let me hear your guys' thoughts on it. Good idea. Only been trading for 2 weeks. You've only been trading for 2 weeks, and you have the nerve of coming in here and asking a question that's gonna cause 2 more weeks of chaos in this stream. Don't trigger my chat. Damn, like 8 pips checks? That's crazy. No. Oh. That's a lot. 8 pips is a lot. Yes. What's the broker? Did you name your broker? Did you say what it was? I missed it. What should I focus on? I mean, if you're new, we typically say don't ask questions, just watch what we do for about a month. So you can get in, you know, kind of be in tune with the flow here and what we do. And then join our free Discord. It's free. Very, very free. $3.99. And there's channels for Asian, New York, London, meme channel, everything channel, mods, everything, signals channel, course members channel. So join that and then wait for Don to drop the Christmas present for everybody. The website's going to be up. And then, you know, keep showing up. But you must show up here and pay attention. Don't ask questions. Don't trigger anybody. Just absorb information for a good month or 2. Shit. The Europeans are here.
They are indeed.
How's England doing in the World Cup? Are they still? They're about to play France, right?
Yeah, it's a big game tomorrow. Big game. Oh, sorry. What day is it today? It's Friday for me. I don't know. I think it might still be Thursday for you guys over there. But yeah, technically tomorrow, big game for us.
I think out of the teams left, England's my team. It was either the US or England that I really wanted to win.
It's getting juicy now. It's getting juicy.
Getting down to it. I just think they're gonna choke. You know, England, like, you know, every time England passes the ball, I go like this. Because I'm not sure if it's gonna be brilliant or if it's gonna be a complete, utter disaster.
It's so England, bro. We'll do all the hard work and we'll choke
as soon as the commentator gets excited that they have the ball, I go, ooh.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm biased as fuck because, you know, we always choke at the final hurdle and it'll be on penalties. It's always on penalties.
Yeah.
It's the England curse, bro. It always happens.
Sure.
Yeah.
I mean,
US
maybe
got
it's your
unlucky,
destiny. Maybe it's our destiny to never make it past the fucking quarters.
Yeah.
It's your destiny to always make it to the finals and never win.
Yeah. We won in '66, but that feels like a whole lifetime ago.
Now, is it better to make it to the finals and lose, or to make it to the 3rd place game and win?
Yeah.
I always feel like it's better to win your last game than to lose your last game.
Yeah, I'd rather go out in the quarters than go out in the final and lose the final. We got to the final of the Euros 2 years ago. That was the most heartbreak I've ever
maybe that's
felt
the
in my
most
life.
you guys can hope for. With, like 3rd place, it seems winnable.
We lost on penalties too. Last time we got to a final, lost on penalties. It's just the curse. It's just the way it is. Has to be that way.
Yeah, should be fun.
Yeah.
Is it gold short 25 pips? Winner, chicken dinner? Well, then buy me a chicken dinner. I'm starving Marvin right now. While you have chicken dinner. I see Brazil taking it. I see all Brazil. Yeah. That's my favorite for.
Mm.
Like if I had to
Yeah.
put money on somebody taking it, that's not who I would put money on, but that's who I'd say is the favorite.
Yeah. 4-0 at half time. They're dancing around like it was a joke to them. Even the manager was getting involved.
They weren't even playing. They were dancing. They were
Yeah,
they were
bro.
having the carnival right on the field and shit.
We were back home.
it was brilliant.
Yeah. They looked unstoppable at
I
the
was
win.
just expecting, just
Yeah.
a crowd of people, like a parade to start marching down midfield, like the carnival,
Yeah.
just to start right there.
All the floats.
While Brazil is playing. They might as well have started in midfield because I don't
Yeah.
think, who did they play? I don't think, it was
Korea? South Korea.
South
Yeah,
Korea?
they had no
I don't think
chance.
South Korea got out of their own end, so they might as well
Nope.
have they should have made it a half-court game.
Yeah, it was 4-0 at half time, bro. The game was done. The game was done. Crazy. They looked unbeatable. I can't see anyone who's, even us, I can't see anyone who's looking to beat them. Or looking good enough to be able to beat them.
I mean, France is stacked, but I just think France was a little shorthanded, right, coming into the tourney?
Yep. Nine people injured. All literally happened as soon as they flew out to the World Cup. Like 9 people injured in training before they started to play.
That's the thing. That's why I don't know. Like they're looking like they're rolling right now, and this isn't their top squad even.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, this is it. This is make or break for us. We win tomorrow, we might stand a little chance.
Rolling, Giroud is rolling. Everybody, Mbappe rolling. Everybody.
Yeah. Mbappe's a big problem. He's a big problem. The biggest problem. So it'd be funny how they deal with that.
I don't know. I think the biggest problem is Brazil's approach to the game. I think they're just too good talent-wise as a team.
And they've been doing it since they come out of the womb.
And France. I mean, you guys have your work cut out for you.
Oh, yes,
we do live stream in London session with the same concept. We are, if you want to drop an application, we are in the process of accepting applications.
Yep. BVS got talent.
Yeah.
Just gotta find that talent. Ooh.
Let's see if we can come back up above 167.134 chat. That's what we're gonna wait for. If we get nothing, I mean, we're gonna call it a stream. This is our final stream of the week. We are gonna be back for next week. Probably, yep, next week. Definitely, not even probably. Next week is our last stream of the year.
Hey.
All right, so next week is our last week of the year, last streaming week of the year. So 4 more streams after this one, and then it's happy holidays to the Devious gang, and we'll be back on January 9th.
W year.
Yeah, it's been an amazing year, but
great year.
We're still on Friday, so we're on tomorrow in the morning.
Yep.
This is what I want to see here. Right, I want to see this come back up. Let's go up here. This is what the candle should look like. This happens, we'll take a break of the highs here. Right there. And why do we look for that? Because in this level, the fake out is highly likely to happen. How do we know that? We've sample sized. Song sucks. Let me change this shit.
Like the stream, chat. 200 likes. We're nearly there.
There you go.
To finish off the week, like it up, chat.
Honey been dropped on the head of any nigga wanted, man. Pop me as any, I'm fast, I'm so faster than Sunny, man. True to man, nigga, true religion, Buddha, man. My money stay tall as Ludacris, I throw and I swear I'ma shoot with it. I just hit for 9 birds,
You can't prove a point, but you know you so doomed. You know you so doomed.
Yeah, these guys spend days writing lyrics. I know it. He said that? That's what I was thinking in my head right now. Like, he said that? About to rewind, just make sure.
It's good to see Reza back on the streams as well. He's a real OG. Real OG. Coming back.
Where is he? Is he here?
I think he's here, but yeah. It was funny because the other day yesterday, on Don's stream, it was like there's people in the chat like, who's Reza? Who's Reza? You know? So it's funny. It's funny to see who remembers him.
There's a lot of new people here over the last year.
Yeah, that's great. All blessings. All blessings. Mad growth. Mad growth over this last year. What, Dom was averaging what, like 200, 300 viewers a stream, like last year, like January, February, March last year.
Yeah,
that's crazy.
And I was getting 1,000.
Yeah, it's crazy, bro. It's just like the speed of the chat, you know. Like even in your stream, like on a shorter scale, like a couple of months ago, you'd see, you know, like 100, 200 people, and you just see it gradually grow, and it's great. Like the chat's getting quicker. There's, you know, it's brilliant. It's all deserved, you know. Value will eventually attract, you know, attention.
Yes. Wow. Cole said, I don't know you nothing. Take me back.
Same what it did earlier today. It's funny because I just had my TP for that trade earlier today in NY. I had it set for like just 20 pips, and I think it was literally the tippity top. I caught the top by like a couple pipettes, and it just comes straight back down.
Oh, you got activated?
Yeah, I kept it. I just liked it. We grabbed all that liquidity, and I was like, you know, I wasn't gonna trade it, but I was like, yeah, I like this position. We grabbed a lot of liquidity. We're coming with flipping now. I think it was a 30 set. I might be wrong.
Crazy.
But...
I learned my lesson already. Listen, hold on, give me a sec. Killing's still here.
Where's all my British over traders at 2 AM right now? You're still up putting the grinding.
Call New York. Yeah, New York was great. Now let's do this here. And you know what? I used to say this all the time, but if we don't get nothing, it's fine. Knowing when to step back is just as important as knowing when to attack, right? Because saving soldiers in a war so you can come back to fight a battle with a bigger army, right? Makes more sense. Save your money. You come back with bigger funds, grow your account faster instead of having a setback. Why just waste it on something that you haven't planned for?
Yep, 100%.
I just get in 1795.5, get L. I thought his breakout. No, it didn't close above for us. See? We have our level right here. The hourly didn't close above. The 4 hour didn't close above. But I can see why you would think it's a breakout. Just your level's a little bit lower, probably next to the most recent. You guys have to look back, really look back. And if need be, look even further back. Typically, if the level's correct, it'll be respected for a long time.
The one that never fuck up a snitch. I feed the scene, a hit and run. I left the Glock with the switch. Police gon' press you, we get lawyers, baby, don't tell
Yeah, Floyd's the GOAT, right? And he was more of a defensive guy. Strategy is important. Your approach is important. And what's even more important is your execution. The way you execute what you plan on, and the way you stick to your guns, tune out the noise is everything. Execution is everything.
Yeah. And how do you think Floyd got so good, chat? Repetition, practice, consistency, dedication, all of the stuff that, you know, Wix and Don are preaching to you daily on the streams. Anything you do in life, you're going to find success in it with consistency, discipline. You know, it's not just luck. Everyone thinks it's luck when you make it, you know, but it's really that foundation of consistency, skill, you know, patience that really gives you that payout in the end.
Matured all the sorors in every AKA. Michelle's blueprint showed the error in their ways. All the rent I paid, you know I play it fair. Just leave an extra key so I can weigh it there. Bribe money so your boyfriend wouldn't lay up there. Dope game, I'm the ultimate creative player. 2K21, savage like 21. Friday's a draft night. You is one and dones. I am the one of one. I am the summer sun. I am the street dream. Nas with the cummerbund. Jury supreme team. Anchors is done and hung. The dope floats on a boat. Now come give the drummer some. They going for 33. I just let the numbers run. The king of the kilo. I don't believe none of them.
Tattoos and some wolf
Except
wounds.
Gibbs.
Now this in the room, you ain't a killer, you a cartoon. Caught a new body in my old school. I saw you with your homie Gray, but tell that you be home soon. Can't whip it hard, that's a hard sale. Bet I won't pay them back. I play my
Ooh,
cards with the
who's on here? It's been a quiet draggy stream today. No, I'm not gonna lie, chat. We might not get. Oh, why is Monty stops here? Sorry, Monty.
As always, your safety and well-being is of premier priority here at the Triple S. You will be notified when our conditions change.
Wix's energy off.
What was that?
We can't be. I'm just reading the chat. Wix's energy off. Listen, it's hard enough being here every single day. You know, providing free value for you guys. You know, we're humans at the end of the day. We can't be up and bouncy and full of energy every single day. You know, you just gotta.
It's the wind down session, right?
Exactly, bro. Come on, come on, bro.
Yeah, it's just you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes, you know, life takes a toll on you, but it's all good, right? We jumping jacks, some jump rope. No, it's
do a flip, bro. Do a flip.
No, I'm good. It's just sometimes it takes a toll on you, and you just gotta step back and just relax, take it easy. It's been a really hectic day. Sometimes, you know what, after a really hectic day, it's really hard to switch over into a different aspect of your life, different mode of your life. So, you know, I had a really hectic day, and I ran into the house straight into the stream, and I didn't have that little bit of a me time where I just could, you know, mentally just switch over, because I'm just worn out from the day. But other than that, I'm glad to fucking be here. Thank you guys for showing up today. It's been awesome.
Yo, Wix, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Do you have a routine, or are you, because of your job, you know, with Forex, and it allows you to be, you know, pretty free with your time, do you sort of just take life as it comes, or do you have like a routine set schedule where you try and keep to it?
We're pretty structured because of my Thanksgiving. Pretty structured because of kids. So certain things have to be done at certain times. So ever since I had kids, life has become a lot more structured. And you need
Yeah.
structure in life in order for them to get things done. Otherwise, they'll be all over the place.
Yeah, definitely. Do you think that's benefited you, that structure? You know, having a
Oh
set
yeah, my
group of
kids
things.
have taught me a lot more than I've taught them.
Yeah.
They taught me a lot more lessons than I've taught them.
Mm.
Or that I've ever learned on my own. It's just, it's a nice period of self-discovery having kids.
Mm. Yeah. It's funny how these difficult things teach you, you know, the most about yourself. It's exactly the same with trading. You know, trading's taught me, I'm obviously young, but I'm not trying to compare it to having kids and trying to look after whole humans. But it's funny how trading teaches you.
I made my own humans.
Yeah,
I made
bro,
my own
like,
people.
Copy and paste.
I made my own people.
Yeah.
I'm their leader.
Yeah.
I heard that.
Crazy.
It's funny. Let's get 200 likes, chat. Oh, what happened? Where'd everybody go? They left for the hourly close? Just had 100 people just dip. What happened?
Yeah. You'll see it spike back up for this next one.
It's funny. See, people are learning. They don't need to be in front of the charts all the time.
Yeah.
So we've gone absolutely nowhere here. This has been our session here, chat. This barcode has been our session. Hey.
To the ceiling, want me in my feelings, only got me feeling away. I ain't saying I'm addicted, out of restricted, fuck it, cause I don't feel the pain.
Get it.
Let a nigga touch my chain, fuck it, nigga, kill him, fuck it, make it take me away.
I got my dogs in this bitch, I know they gon' shoot shit up. And my little brother turned to a drummer, walking my side, now he got the lump. I said that Maybach, where the gays at? Tell my brothers ball 100 summers. All my niggas know, run up them numbers. Fuck, run up them numbers. Yeah.
Run up them numbers, okay, see you don't want no
Check
thunder.
with the new album. Isn't that dropping tomorrow?
Okay, see you don't want no thunder, yeah. Christian the sweater, okay, Christian Dior the sweater. The double R came with the umbrella. When I put the hoodie on, it get realer.
Put 100,000 in my Prodigy. Got some little homies, got some Prodigy. And I spent 500 on Prodigy. Made out the project, popping overseas. Shawty gave me sloppy toppy on the seat. I make some cars and pay, cop the fleet. Gotta be an anti-social gangster, cause the feds watching my tweets.
You mad, nigga, your adrenaline rushing. It feel like a bus, but I'm whipping a rave. Got my head to the ceiling, want me in my feelings, only got me feeling away. I ain't saying I'm addicted, out of restricted, fuck it, cause I don't feel the pain. Let a nigga touch my chain, fuck it, nigga, kill him, fuck it, they can take me away.
I got my dogs in this bitch, I know they gon' shoot shit up.
What's that?
Didn't know that. The A Boogie album's out tonight. I didn't know that. US time.
What does R2BO mean? It's rich to broke. This is where we below this level, closure below this level, we go from rich to broke.
Easy as that. That's all you need to do, chap.
Just kidding. Yeah, it's the range. It's a range 2 breakout. We have videos on it. I don't know. Go to Don's channel. Go to Discord. I explain it, I think, every single stream. I really. And today I'm too tired to explain. Range 1, range 2, anything below here will have a really high probability of driving down. But we need our range 2 in order to take sells today because we're bullish, right? So in order for us to, we're gonna keep buying, right? We're gonna stick to our bias unless we have a range 2 breakout, our 2BO, and the range 2 breakout will be here. That is when we will say to ourselves, okay, we are fine. We're taking sells now. Now our bias has switched. But until we get a closure below here, because if we come down here, break these lows, but don't close below here, it just means there's not enough volume to drive, right? So that's why we need the closure below, because it'll indicate that there's enough volume to drive.
It's good seeing these questions though, you know, it shows us that there's new people here, the algo's doing its job, so
yeah,
we're doing the right thing, chat. Come here, ask the
We're slaying
questions.
the algo.
Yep.
I just put any country? No. Crypto. Put crypto, Max. Select crypto for country. Oh, there we go. Green dropped the link for ranges.
Hey.
W Green.
You mod.
Boy. Boy's working to become a fucking administrator.
Yeah.
He's trying to get an admin role.
You reminded me of MM. I remember seeing all of them. All them
man,
chats.
I haven't.
MM for admin.
Wow, I can't believe I haven't seen that name in a while. Where has he been?
Yeah.
Been a while.
Yeah, bro. We're the UK boys. We got to link up.
I don't think Six saw my question. Yo, Six, did you see it? Oh. No, I didn't see your question. What's your question, Julian? Quitting my job at the end of the month and going full-time trading. Any advice for me?
Are you sure?
Any advice I give you is based on my experience and my knowledge, and I don't have really in-depth knowledge of your situation, right? So it'd be like just with my knowledge of what I know, which is very limited about what's going on in your life. I can't tell you that. In general, if I heard that, I'd be like, no, just trade for a little longer. But I don't know. Maybe you're fucking slaying it. Maybe you just, I don't know. Maybe you have a $250,000 funded. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Just have that consistency, you know, have that, you know, proof of however long, I you know, at least over a couple of months that you're not just jumping in head first and putting all that pressure on you, because I can talk from experience here that I've jumped in too quick, you know, thought I was the shit, thought I had it all down, and the market will humble you. It will, or it will continue to humble you. Every day I'm humbled by this market, you know, I never think I'm the shit, I never think I have it all down. So just have that consistency, have the proof that you can do it behind you. Be comfortable before you do it.
Yeah, Max, the island of crypto. No zip codes.
It's like Easter Island. You just get there, it's just
bunch of traders. Bunch of people that are sitting there with their laptops on traders' domain.
It's just FTX, just Sam Bankman-Fried, just hiding out.
$9.42 chat. Doesn't look like much is happening. We don't get nothing by 10. We're gonna call it a stream. If we do, it'll be a wild chance in hell, honestly. Tell me. Bex FX. Good morning. Good morning, Bex. Which indicators do you use? I use Indica without the TORS at the end. Don't use indicators, just Indica. UIES, that's the best indicator possible. Stuff by far.
Yep, it's slow moving. I wouldn't say slow moving. If you look at the wicks, you know, we've been blessed with a lot of validity, but we haven't got them closures, and we're planning ahead. Wicks is planning ahead here. You want to be in a trade in a high volume time, and You know, me personally, I agree with Wix. I think that those opportunities will most likely, unless we get a close in this next 15 minutes, which I doubt we will, it'll most likely come during London. You know, that next high volume time to take those trades will be London. So yeah, and I mean on gold, there's not really that sense of direction either. You know, we want it to be clear and concise.
There you go.
I'm just trying to take over a little bit because I know Wix is tired today.
Yeah, carry. You can
I
carry.
don't. I
You can
don't.
carry
I
the
don't
rest of the
talk this
stream.
much.
Yeah, if we close bear here, I'd expect us to come back down. Maybe set up some onions for 1 a.m. for London. Pull back here. 4 hour can pull back, not break the lows. Respect. You see the following 4 hour. This might even be like a New York session move. We might end up pulling back till New York and then fly up for New York. We'll see what happens.
Pretty good for December though. Pretty good. Nice
Yeah, I
volume.
don't have too many trades for December. I have very little trades. I have 3. Today was 4. Today was my 4th trade in December.
Yeah.
In the morning. Yeah. Can we set a chart? Yeah, you guys can send charts. That's fine. It's been a long week. It's all right. You know, typically, you know how that cycle goes, right? When you typically you can't wait for the weekend, and then people start trading, and they're like, "Fuck, I hate the weekend. I can't wait till Monday."
For real.
And then after a while trading, you're like, "Fuck, I can't wait till the weekend again." But that's gonna be a long while for a lot of you, because I know a lot of you you're always gonna, well, not always, but for the next few years, especially if you're fairly new, you're gonna be waiting. You're gonna be waiting for that Sunday 5 p.m. Eastern market open. Hey, baby.
Yeah. It's so relatable for traders, you know. It's like something only traders can understand. You know, I've been at the weekend sometimes, especially when I was first starting out, and I just sort of got addicted to learning how to trade. I loved everything about trading. I'd watch all of Don's weekly recaps. I'd watch, you know, elsewhere as well, and I'd be at the weekend just, you know, bummed out I couldn't trade, and my friends would be like, why you bummed, you know, why are you annoyed? It's the weekend, you know, we're free. And they just wouldn't understand. It's such a trader niche thing that only the traders really understand.
Wow, we've really done nothing here.
Yeah. Just that level, you know, it's when we've been closing at that level where we've rejected it. If we start closing above there, it could be a nice little London move up.
Right. Can you explain what Q1 of the new year is like? It's slow. You really want the year to really get rolling. It takes a couple of weeks, but really most of the volume really kicks up in end of Q1. So March, April, May, June. I think those 4 months are really like historically high market volume times. You know it's bad when you trade BTC on the weekend. Yeah, I was gonna say, you know it's bad when you do it on the weekend.
Yeah. Yeah. Then you got a problem, man. You need to go see somebody. That's a little addiction.
Yeah. It's the perfect time to DM Don. 5 p.m. on Friday, going, yo, check out BTC.
Yeah. He'll love that. Just do it, chat. He'll love it. We promise.
Yeah, no problem. You are welcome.
How long have I been trading full time? Around 6 months now, but I've been trading. That's because I've been trading to sort of be sure and secure about two, 3 years now, just to try and, you know, before you go full time, you gotta be sure. So I made sure to back up them 2-3 years, make sure I had it down, and then yeah, just took that leap about 6 months ago and been good ever since.
Yeah, since we kind of ranged here the entire session and gone nowhere. Oh, hold on, I got it. Come here. Good? Yeah, so since we kind of ranged here and gone nowhere, this whole barcode here, these levels are still valid, right? We never tested any of them, we never broke any of them, so these levels are still valid. Just wait for them to get broken, either London or New York, and then look for positions. But these levels are pretty valid. And on gold here, as we're coming down, we need to find some support so we can take this back up. Okay, and if it doesn't end up coming back up, you can look for sells. These levels are still valid below here. You know what? Yeah, I'd be pretty confident in keeping these levels. Hey, since you got nothing on the charts, are you able to do a quick analysis on BTC? No, I think BTC will fail to exist eventually in a few years, within a few years.
Yep. 100%.
Well, I don't know if it's 100. I just my 100% that I think that definitely, yeah. But I just
it's just the equivalent of gold, really, you know, but without any real value. You're
well,
at
I
the
don't
end
know.
of the day,
It's honestly, it's just failed as everything it was supposed to do, right?
Exactly. Sort of acts as the indicator for the overall
It was
market.
you were supposed to be able to like transfer money quickly, right? But the transactions take forever. It was supposed to be cheap.
Gas fee too.
But the transactions are expensive as hell. And then it was supposed to be done, you know, anonymously. But right now you can pretty much track every transaction, see who it was. And then it was supposed to be a store of value, right? And it's failed at that because one person can tweet and it fucking plummets. So it hasn't performed as a good store of value, right? So honestly, I just don't think it's made to succeed in a regulatory world.
Yeah. Someone's only which is 100% right. It's not a store of value at all. You know, that Bitcoin is only worth as much as someone is willing to pay for you. It's just the last idiot who got in. You know, that's all Bitcoin is. It's just one big, whoever gets in last loses. You know, whoever gets left holding the bag. So buy gold. You know, that's a real store of value. Has real utility.
I mean, it's not really beneficial for governments for such a thing to exist. So they're gonna.
Yep.
It's funny because people are like, yeah, we're gonna do this, and the government won't know what we're doing, and then they're like, yeah, we want expansion and we want adoption, right? Mainstream adoption, but like mainstream adoption is what you were trying to escape when you were saying, I want to escape the government. And then you want the government to adopt it.
Yeah.
And the banks.
Yep. 100%. I mean, look at what Russia and look at what China have been doing for the last 20 years now, 10-20 years. They've been stockpiling gold, and now they got over 200 tons of gold, and they're trying to challenge the US, you know, global reserve currency now. They're just over there just stacking, stockpiling gold for the last 10-20 years. I promise you, the graph of Russia and China's gold supplies for the last 10 years is literally just straight up, just steady up. And you know,
That's not
This
to
is
say
what we get.
It's not to say that there haven't been people that have successfully made a lot of money on
Oh,
crypto,
of
but
course.
you know
Of
what?
course.
If you're asking if you can make money on it, you can. If you're asking if it's
Yeah.
what's gonna happen, if it's the future, I wouldn't bank on it.
Yeah.
Maybe crypto will be the future, but Bitcoin per se, I highly doubt it.
Yeah. I must say I like the idea. You know, I'm all for the idea. Decentralized banking system where, you know, we can't be manipulated. We can't have another 2008, but you know, the it's just not there. It's just not there yet. The technology isn't there. The honesty isn't there. The infrastructure isn't there yet. So I like the idea. Right idea, poor execution. You know.
Hey, Monty's out. Good job, Mont. Made some bank, secured the bacon. Go eat, go chill, go eat, go party, take a vacay.
Easy. That'll be
nice end to the Asian stream for Monty. Good job.
Nice.
Yo, everybody. Tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. New York session live streams on Don's channel. We're gonna be there 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Be there as well, and we will be back on Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern, here on YouTube for a live Asian session. We're gonna do all of next week, and it's gonna be our last week for the year. All right, show up, drop a like, sub to the channel. I'm gonna call it a stream here. Nothing much is happening. I love you too, baby. Hold on. 30. Yeah, nothing's happening, so we're gonna call it a stream. And thank you, mods. Thank you, Keon. Appreciate you for coming through.
No problem, bro.
GG cells. No GG cells. What's going on? Why am I missing? What just happened? Hey, wait. There we go. That happened. Sorry. Plus, I have my kiddo here. Cells. Honestly, here in 4 minutes, it might not be too bad, but we got to see how this happens here, how it closes. To be honest with you, I'm probably not going to take it. The levels are valid. I'm probably not going to take it. I don't believe it's going to drive before London 1 a.m. I think if we reach these levels here, I think we're going to kind of either trickle down and up, or we're going to range, you know, till pre-London, and then we're going to come down. That's what I believe, if it's going to come down. So just wait. You don't want to be stuck in a trade in for the next 2 hours. Slower volume time. So personally, I'm gonna go put my kid to bed before she destroys everything. And yeah, it's past her bedtime. Thank you, mods. Thank you, Keelan. Thank you, everyone else. Chat, you're awesome. Love and wisdom to you all. Thank you for coming through. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, and then next Asian session is on Monday. Yeah, you're showing them the same thing as I am? Go ahead. Go. Good job. You can do it? Go. Can you do it?
Hey.
Can you? Nice.
Like the stream, chat. Like the stream before you go.
Awesome. Alright. Yeah, they love you. Big dubs. They love you. Alright, chat. We are out.
Tell me what know about hard time. Empty stomach, give you the heart to go do a homicide. Know some this nigga on my side, still a rich with my ties, cause we was locked in. Me and 6 of my in one apartment. We was pushing that powder and hard in. Back when they used to play with my heart in. Police might shoot me and kill me over my dark skin. Man, this game got me dark hearted. Smoking tan like an alcoholic, don't get me started. I thought we was gonna thug it out to the end, but I guess that this wasn't in the plans. I pray this chopper never jam. 30 in my hand, shoot him if he ain't DOA, we shoot up the ambulance. Ain't no solving no murders, welcome to murderland. Bulletproof my they might hit it, I'm the murder man. Dead put his hands on me. I'ma pop another bottle and pour one out for your dead on me. Swear my friends turning fed on me. Many might take the stand on me, but I can stand on it when it ain't the truth. Good friend on me when it's time to shoot. She think I'm a man, baby, I'm just knocking boots. I know you wouldn't for me if I didn't have no loot, cause I'm the one that puts a hard line. Tell me what know about hard time. Empty stomach, give you the heart to go do a homicide. Know some this on my side, still a rich with my tie, cause we was locked in. Me and 6 of my
in one apartment. We was pushing that powder and hard then. Back when they used to play with my heart then. Police might shoot me and kill me over my dark skin. Man, this game got me dark hearted. Smoking drain like an alcoholic, don't get me started. I thought we was gon' thug it out to the end, but I guess that wasn't in the plans. I pray this chopper never jam. Yeah. I pray the chopper never jam. Yeah, yeah. I pray the chopper never jam.
Showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. Made it out of the jungle, my ball ain't got no jumper. Rest in peace, my uncle. Never met, but I still love you. Remember that pussy from way back, playing I pay on the popper. Stayed in the hood where the killers at, made my pillow a chopper. This ain't that what you looking at, and we didn't update the roster. You can tell it's a rich nigga posture. Y'all gon' want on spitting it proper. Trapping at school, I was serving bags, probably was searching my locker. Who did your jury? It look like brass. One of your bro should've stopped you. It's young one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat when it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post and I go ghost, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading and my reasons, I'm booked out the region. This jury call on me, I'm freezing, no way I'm anemic.
Put up to the photo, man, this shit too easy. Y'all gon' chop a brick like Judo, snatch a Lamborghini. I got a different bitch for different places, different seasons. Bitch ain't playing the position, cutting her off, this shit too easy. I started out smash R&B stars right at the band. I'm having hoes on the west side, think that I abandoned them. I'm having pippin' in my blood and I can change the climate. I threw the money on her to the price up like I designed it. Hit with the presidential on the bitch, let you kill a nigga Minaj. That little IG bitch ain't shit for the in the car. Fuck round to the side piece, pop out that night and double up. Start talking Chinese, with all these sticks in the car.
It's young one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat when it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post and I go ghost, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading and my reasons, I'm booked out the region. This jury call on me, I'm freezing, no way I'm anemic.
I gave my Rolls Royce some wings. Jury so damn cold I could freeze. Hey, first time I called Elliot, Gunna told me to spend $250. Now my chain costs $500,000, and I'm plotting on a silly Billy. Made $25 million, I said Now all of these hoes fucking me better. Shorty say she like me 'cause she sliding through the trenches with me. Give her $1 million worth of game like I'm wallowing Gilly. Weezy wanna Pluto ride it, this shit way too easy. I put your bitch in CC, Celine, Chanel if need be. You niggas really actors, you should've been on TV. You talking like you turned up, you niggas really TD.
It's young one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it.